quiet.
Baba.
Mm, you stay quiet. Oh.
Go yourself.
Nigga, you sound like a fucking femboy.
Oh, so you have something against fanboys, I see. So you're homophobic. So you just
Nobody said
confirmed
they
it.
have something against
Confirmed it.
femboys.
You
Are you
just
stupid?
confirmed it. That's what I thought. That's what I
I
thought. You
didn't
confirmed
confirm
it.
it. I said that you sound like a
Confirmed
femboy.
it.
You really
You
sound
just
like a fucking
confirmed it.
stupid idiot.
I'm always correct. You just confirmed it.
How?
Maybe he's right.
I didn't say I didn't like femboys though. Hello?
None. Oh, so you do. So you're sexually attracted to fanboys. I see.
I didn't say that either, but okay.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. You just did. You
I
just
said
did.
I
You
don't
just
like
did it. You
femboys
just
and I
said that
don't
you're
like
sexually attracted
fanboys.
to them. You just said it. You just said it. Shh, 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 shh. You just said it.
Seriously.
I'm
You
not
just said
sexually
it. Don't
attracted
even say
to
nothing. No, 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 no,
I
no.
femboys.
You
don't
just said it. You just said it. You just said it.
Hey,
Shh,
shut
shh,
your ugly
shh,
ass
shh.
up, nigga. You fucking like femboys. Shut your ugly ass up, please. What the fuck
Oh,
do you
says a
want,
little
bro?
fanboy like
Hello?
her. Oh,
Like, are you serious? Like,
look at that little
Okay,
fanboy. Yo, Jaka, check DMs.
Right, but
what? What the fuck are you talking about?
Going on.
Okay,
alright, I'm
wait.
checking DMs. I'm joining.
Wait, is my
Th- This little nigger started talking. Mew, 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 mew. He's so scared. No, we just said the
What?
N word, bro. Don't say that to me. I'm not black. No, you shut up. I know damn well you cannot speak. Shh.
Uh, I know
Shh.
when
Oh,
Hey,
so you think paper
Korean.
can only be white? I see. I see.
You
Oh
stop
yes.
and you can
Yeah, that's what I say. You say
stop
I'm
and
white
you
like paper. So you think
stop
that paper can only be white.
stop
I see. I see. This guy's a racist. 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 Racist.
Yummy!
Racist. 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 Racist.
Bro, I swear
Racist.
to
Okay, can y'all shut up, bro?
Racist.
Stop beefing, bro.
Racist.
Can we all chill?
Racist. You're a little
No,
racist.
okay,
You're a
okay.
bad little racist. You're a bad little puppy racist.
Oh, I can't pronounce
Bro,
it.
You're a
bro,
little racist. You're so
Yeah?
adorable.
bro, are you serious right now? Are you
You're
serious
so
right now?
adorable. You're
Stop
being
Ew,
beefing.
racist.
nigga.
Okay.
Hey,
Can you hear that guy? I cannot
you
hear him
want?
anymore. I
Oh
muted
my
him.
fucking god.
What
You want my ID
Bro,
now?
can y'all stop beefing, bro?
This little puppy was
Like,
so mad.
chill
Oh.
out. Chill out,
I swear to
Chad.
god. Now she's singing!
Yeah,
Do you want my ID now?
Yo,
No, my player ID?
oh my
Do
god,
you
the
want my
dog.
player ID
I'm gonna.
now?
This is gonna
Damn,
be
I
so
can
good
barely
for
hear
you. So
you.
let me just say
dog.
this.
Oh my fucking god.
Cook. You're cooked, bro.
Yeah, sururi,
Holy shit.
Bro,
sururi.
he's cooked.
Oh my god, this dog will not.
Okay,
Let me mute
everybody,
him.
let's like
Do you have
silence
something to
for a
say,
moment.
puppy?
Everybody silence.
Okay, silenced.
There we go. Good boy.
Except the
Stay quiet.
dog.
So let's all just
Oh my
calm
god.
down. Okay, let's all just
Okay.
calm down. Let's have
Never
a
gonna
normal,
give you
civilized
up. Never gonna let
conversation.
you
Let's all
down.
just
Never
have a
gonna
normal,
turn
And
civilized
around.
conversation.
now.
Alright, alright.
I love my
Let's all just
nuts.
calm down. Let's all just be quiet for a moment and
Okay.
listen to some
Okay.
relaxing
Keep
music.
looking.
There, I sent it in
One
again.
Gangnam Style.
Papa, nothing flag. Papa.
Oh, I'm recording too. Don't worry, I'll post this.
Oh,
Yes, I will. Don't worry, I have posted everything I
oh,
record.
0, 0, 0, 0.
Cause you're what?
Yeah, let me just practice my singing.
You're doing what?
I know the
I'm sorry,
morning.
you're doing what? I'm sorry, I genuinely am either unable to hear you or you're just mumbling the fuck out of yourself. And I'm pretty sure it's the second one.
Taking home all the way, ta ta ta,
No, I'm
dice.
pretty sure it's you. It's you not knowing how to talk. I'm mad. Oh, look at him trying to defend himself. How am I mad? I'm pretty sure you're the one. I'm pretty sure you're the one with the uncle that's a veteran that risks his life for a fucking donut and a fucking drink of milk. Oh, your grandpa, but fuck yeah, fuck both of them then. My bad, fuck both of them. Hmm, I think you're the one that should get some help. There we go, good boy, stay quiet. Huh? Exactly, stay quiet, good boy. Good boy. Oh, look at him trying to defend himself. That I'm weird. Says him. Oh, you're not trying to defend yourself. You're just taking it like a good boy. I see. Uh, shh. No, I think you're the one that needs help because you're into getting bullied. You're like getting degraded. Oh, look at him lying as well. Oh, that's insane. So what? Are you mad? What are you gonna do? Cancel me? Like what? Oh, my timbers have just been shivered. My penis shivered as well. On top of that, like, oh my god, like he's gonna cancel me. Yeah, please. I'm scared he's gonna cancel me, bro. Like, damn, bro. I'm totally not gonna post this as well. Probably canceling myself. But I don't care about people's opinions. I might just not. I'm totally not going to do that. 100%. I think you're the one that has issues.
What the fuck did Omni Man join right after I did?
I don't fucking know.
Huh?
Blah 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 blue blue blue.
Animating Omni Man. Look at Zero. He's still in the VC. He's literally begging to talk to me. But you're in the VC, therefore you like getting degraded by me. I see. No, I see. No, I see. I see. I see. Don't worry. I don't judge. I don't judge kings.
Shut the fuck up.
I don't know what's.
Did you survive your fight? Coco fight? Yeah, really annoying. Yeah. Hmm.
Nigga.
Oh,
Nigger.
Yeah, but I got a feeling
yeah.
that dude's white because I knew then well he wasn't black. So
Exactly. He has to like actually be white or something because there's
Are
no
you
way.
sure?
I swear to God, not you.
Are you sure?
I'm gonna kill myself. Wait, I want to see my lag
Yeah,
is
I
really
need to
bad.
go.
Okay.
Gonna sleep. Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye.